Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use accounting software for small business, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by selecting the right accounting software for your small business. Research popular options that cater to your industry and budget. Consider tools like QuickBooks, FreshBooks, or Xero for their user-friendly interfaces. Once you've chosen your software, visit its website to create an account. Look for a prominent sign up or try for free button. Fill in your business details, including name, address, and type of services offered. After account creation, set up your company profile within the software. Enter your business's financial information, including bank details and tax information. Next, familiarize yourself with the dashboard and main features of the software. Take a tour of the interface to understand where everything is located. Begin inputting your initial financial data. Start by adding your income sources, such as sales or service revenue. Then, input your expenses, including rent, utilities, and payroll. Use the software to categorize each item for easier tracking. Explore the invoicing feature to create and send invoices to clients. Customize the invoice template to reflect your brand, including your logo. Schedule recurring invoices for regular services to save time. Now, move on to setting up bank feeds. Link your business bank account to automate data entry. This allows transactions to be imported directly into the software. Regularly reconcile your accounts to ensure accuracy. Check that recorded transactions match your bank statements. Utilize reporting features to generate financial reports. Focus on profit and loss statements and balance sheets for an overview of your business health. Stay organized by keeping track of receipts and documents within the software. Use scanning features or integrations with document management apps for convenience. Learn to create a budget within the software to manage your finances effectively. Review your budget regularly and adjust as necessary to meet your goals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.